Consciousness isn't just awareness. It's the stage everything plays out on. The difference between people isn't intelligence, wealth, or education. It's the level of consciousness they operate from. Some are trapped in survival mode, fear, greed, competition. Others move into creativity, curiosity, and connection. And a few begin to live in that higher space where awareness itself becomes the guide, where intuition flows and where the separation between me and you dissolves. At lower levels, life feels like a constant fight. Us versus them, gain versus loss, survival versus extinction. But as awareness grows, the game changes. You start to see patterns, to sense meaning where others see randomness. Judgment softens into understanding. Conflict shifts into perspective. Instead of fighting life, you begin to participate in it. And as consciousness expands, something else becomes clear. Reality itself is responsive. The world reflects back the level you live from. Fear calls forth more fear. Anger attracts more anger, but love, compassion, and clarity reshape the entire field around you. It's resonance. Consciousness tunes itself to its own vibration. So when we speak of levels, it's not about hierarchy, it's about frequency. The same way a radio can only play the station it's tuned to, a person can only experience the reality their consciousness allows. Shift the dial and the whole world changes. Not because the world changed, but because your awareness did. And maybe that's the whole journey. Not to argue about where consciousness comes from, but to live in a way that expands it. To climb from fear into courage, from division into unity, from blindness into vision. Because the truth is simple. As consciousness rises, life itself rises with it. Humanfluence, out.